Palo Alto Network's XDR Engineer certification is counted as one of the most difficult certifications, especially when it comes to understanding the difference between XDR and EDR. In this video, we simplify it for you with 5 real exam-style questions, clear answers, and concise explanations. If you are serious about passing the exam, this quick practice session will sharpen your concepts and boost your confidence instantly. Question number 1. Which statement best describes the key difference between XDR and EDR? A. EDR collects data from multiple sources. XDR only from endpoints. B. XDR integrates multiple security layers. EDR focuses on endpoints. C. EDR provides automated response. XDR does not. D. XDR is limited to endpoint visibility only. Correct answer, B. XDR integrates multiple security layers. EDR focuses on endpoints. Explanation. XDR extends beyond endpoint detection by integrating data across multiple security layers such as network, cloud, and email. EDR is limited to endpoint-level visibility and response. XDR provides a unified view, enabling better threat detection, correlation, and faster incident response across the entire environment. Question number 2. What is a primary advantage of XDR over traditional EDR solutions? A. Reduced data visibility. B. Manual threat correlation. C. Centralized threat detection across multiple vectors. D. Limited automation capabilities. Correct answer, C. Centralized threat detection across multiple vectors. Explanation. XDR centralizes data from multiple security sources, enabling advanced threat correlation and detection across endpoints, networks, and cloud environments. Unlike EDR, which requires manual correlation, XDR automates analysis, reduces alert fatigue, and improves detection accuracy by providing a broader security context. Question number 3. Which component is typically not included in EDR but is part of XDR? A. Endpoint monitoring. B. Threat detection. C. Network traffic analysis. D. Malware alerts. Correct answer, C. Network traffic analysis. Explanation. EDR solutions focus primarily on endpoint activities such as process monitoring and malware detection. XDR, on the other hand, includes additional capabilities like network traffic analysis, cloud telemetry, and email security data, providing a more comprehensive approach to threat detection and investigation. Question number 4. How does XDR improve incident response compared to EDR? A. By limiting data sources. B. By requiring manual investigation. C. By correlating data across multiple environments. D. By focusing only on endpoint alerts. Correct answer, C. By correlating data across multiple environments. Explanation. XDR improves incident response by correlating data from endpoints, networks, and other sources into a unified platform. This reduces investigation time and enhances response accuracy. EDR lacks this cross-domain visibility, making XDR more effective in identifying complex and multi-stage attacks. Question number 5. Why is XDR considered more efficient for modern security operations? A. It reduces integration capabilities. B. It isolates security tools. C. It unifies detection and response across platforms. D. It limits data analysis. Correct answer, C. It unifies detection and response across platforms. Explanation. XDR unifies multiple security tools into a single platform, allowing seamless detection and response across endpoints, networks, and cloud systems. This reduces complexity, improves operational efficiency, and enables security teams to respond faster to threats compared to isolated EDR solutions. Understanding concepts like XDR versus EDR is essential if you want to pass the Palo Alto Network's XDR Engineer Exam with confidence. Practice is the key, and understanding the logic behind each XDR Engineer question gives you a real advantage in the exam. For full-length, real exam-level Palo Alto Network's XDR Engineer practice questions, visit Pass for Future and take your preparation to the next level. Don't just study, practice smart, think like the examiner, and secure your certification success with confidence.